Hey guys, Richard here. So yesterday I posted a video about RIMS 4 by J.K. Dowdle. Now I really wanted to make another video here because I don't want you to miss out. If you're a newbie marketer especially and you're trying to figure out how to build funnels or what funnels are all about and how you build the different pages within these funnels, this is a absolute steal for you and you've got to go ahead and purchase this. This is $17 now. When he finishes his launch it's going to be $47 and this has got such amazing information in it. It's unreal, guys. Now, I got my own copy. I would not actually recommend anything to you that I don't buy myself. And you know that I do a lot of reviews on my channel and I do a lot of poor product reviews on my channel because I actually know when something is good and when something is worthwhile. So if you're completely new and you want to understand all about funnels, all about how to build the various pages, and you want some good resources, you've got to go ahead and grab this RIMS 4, guys. You'll see a link in the description below. I'll also leave a link to my written review that I've done on this if you want it in that format. But I tell you what, guys, you cannot miss out on this launch. Now, if you haven't had a chance to catch my review, I'll give you a very quick summary of what this is. Now, this is a collection of training videos that show you how to actually go ahead and find an offer to start with and then build various types of funnels and pages. Now, the great thing about this is he kind of does it in 3 sections. So I just go to this typical one here, this squeeze page funnel. What he does first of all is he explains to you what a squeeze page is all about. So if you've never heard of a squeeze page, that's an ideal video for you. The second thing he does is he looks at where does that squeeze page fit into various types of funnels. So by the time you finish this training, you're going to have a real good idea of what type of pages to put where in your various affiliate funnels, right? And once you know this, obviously your sales and your conversions are going to go up because he's going to teach you the right way to put these funnels together. Then the last thing is he's actually going to show you step by step, click by click, how to build these various pages. And with that, you'll have workbooks in there. You've got various things that are around scripting, around how to build decent headlines. All of this is within this actual training, which makes $17, makes it a ridiculous price. Now, this training is repeated over various types of pages. So he's got a lead magnet workbook here, which actually teaches you how to build great lead magnets for your funnels. He's got bridge pages, advertorial pages, VSL landers, quiz landers, all of these types of pages that you would need to actually go ahead and put into your various funnels depending on the different types of affiliate promotions that you are actually doing. Also, he's added some email templates in here and he discusses how to actually go ahead and build emails that are effective for your audience. And that's a really, really cool module. Now, the bonuses alone here, guys, are absolutely ridiculous. For $17, you're going to get 2 case studies that are over 36 minutes each, talking to you about affiliate launch jacking, showing you exactly how he does that and where these types of pages fit in. You're going to get the automated sales funnel case study. You're going to get the 59 headline swipe file. Now, this is one of the main reasons I actually purchased this as well, because this swipe file is full of different types of headlines that you can use for your pages, for your emails, and to be honest, it's a really, really good piece of information there, so well worth the money itself. Bonus 4 is his RIMS 1, actually, the very first edition he did in this series, called Microsoft Ads Training. Just teaches you how to do Microsoft Ads, but he does it in such great detail. And then this is the one that kind of blew me away. Bonus number 5 is a 30-minute one-on-one call with JK. Now that is worth amazingly more than $17, guys, and that alone makes this an absolute must for any kind of marketer online, especially if you're a newbie. So guys, I really would go and grab this now. There is a link in the description below. You'll see my review if you want to go through my full review. I do this in a lot more detail, but I don't want you to miss out on this, guys. You know I do a lot of poor type reviews on this channel. I really, really want you lot to get a lot of value, so I implore you to go ahead and grab this now. Hit the link in the description, go and purchase this, and you're going to get so much value out of it.